What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building, and today we're finna do a little bit of work to the Beretta. I just put this competition trigger on here, and remember I told you I thought I ordered a black one, and a red one came. I was gonna actually leave it on there, but I decided to go ahead and take it off, and I bought a flat face, straight competition trigger for it. So we're going back black with the trigger. A Beretta Magwell that I'm putting on it, and I have +2 bases that I'm putting on. Beretta bases, Beretta Compensator that I'm putting on it. These things are expensive, but you know, hey, you only live once, so you know, might as well. So I am about to put all this stuff on this gun and see what we're working with afterwards. All right, first off, let's go ahead, pop this back. Take that on off, take this guide rod out of here because the guide rod is being replaced. We have a polymer guide rod here, but this kit comes with a steel guide rod. So change the guide rod out. Let's take this barrel cover off and come on and get it with the, put it on there. Now screw it on down. Has to come down on the barrel. Let's see, that might be all that I can get on it. So we're gonna have a little bit of a gap, not a very big one. Not a very big one. So put that in there. Line it up. All right, so that's what I came up with, and I don't know if I like how that is sticking out, but the only way for it not to stick out is to screw this off, and I am not sure if I want to have such a big gap. Yeah, so I have the Centurion model. I don't have the full size, so this is what we get with the Centurion. We have the guide rod sticking out if you screw it all the way down, but if you screw it out, you're going to have a big gap. I mean, it doesn't seem to affect anything, and it seems to run just fine, but I do not really like that little piece sticking out right there. I don't know, maybe I can get used to it. I don't know, we'll see. I'll take it to my gunsmith, see what he says. Trigger job, we getting ready to go up to Arrowhead and let him change the trigger out and see if I did something wrong, or do we have to have a super big gap if we want that rod to, you know, not stick out that far. So we'll see. Let's head on up here to Arrowhead. Amazing what you can do with the right tools, huh?
Oh, I love my one belt sander. Okay. Goes in there now.
I saw that. All right. I call that perfection. Yeah.
Goes in and out.
Yeah, yes, sir. All right, we're here up at Arrowhead. Shannon has already fixed my guide rod issue. Now he's about to put a different trigger on it, a different Beretta trigger, and go ahead and get this Magwell put on here as well. Magwell and base plate. All right, here we go. There's the red trigger. I like the red trigger, but I have different plans for it. I'm gonna put that on my 92 compact.
You just want to see me do it twice.
Yeah. Well, we'll have a video for the Beretta people, and then we'll have a video showing whether or not a Beretta trigger will go on a Gear Sun. A lot of people have been asking, can you put a Beretta trigger on a Gear Sun? So, hello. She's been trying to run you off, man.
No.
That's the one that was giving you the headache the last time.
Yeah.
And you had to use the vise. Yes, sir.
I'm a little screwdriver.
Yes, once you do it once.
Can you call Gunside line 1? No, Gunside line 1. Gunside line 1.
Put the spring in to help it.
Oh, okay. You can answer that question, but you can't answer whether or not we take Easter baskets in the pond. I'm kidding. I just made that up. I just feel like that.
Answering me right here. If y'all stood here answering my questions all day, I wouldn't send this on y'all.
Nobody's ever called and asked about Easter baskets. I'm messing with you. Haven't had my whole coffee yet.
It should reprint that way.
before you put that cover back on. I believe you may have to have it off before to put the Magwell.
Where's the Magwell?
It's right here.
Do you have to use the base plates with it?
I was going to use them.
Yeah. It's got a new plug. Both grips off.
Oh, you do? Never changed those before. Right, yeah. Yeah, that does look awesome. I like that. I actually have some new grips being made over in Finland right now. Yeah, I know.
Italian guns are big in Finland?
I have no idea. The wood guy is from Finland, so he just finished it, and I got a tracking number from Posty, and it's coming from Finland.
I didn't know you could track packages from Finland.
Yeah, it's like I said, the tracking service is Posty, and it shows it leaving Helsinki. I dropped so much stuff.
Carpet's a bad thing. So.
Yeah. Well, carpet keeps it from bouncing, though. You know, in my garage, once it hits the floor, 9 times out of 10, I'm never seeing it again.
How many magazines you got with you?
I only brought one. There you go.
Just put my Allen wrench up for that need.
Yes, sir. I believe so. Take the little pad out and then screw it down. All right. Yes, sir. Here we go. Oh, yeah, I like that. I like that. All right, so here is the product. I will not say the finished product because there's more that needs to be done to this weapon. But here is the product. We have the Beretta Magwell, and the Beretta magazine extension. We have the flat face trigger on it, and we have the Beretta muzzle brake on it, the Beretta muzzle brake. And this actually is pretty awesome. I love the way this looks. And like I say, I have more things that I have coming for this gun. I am not done. This is just part of the journey. But so far, so good. I am liking it. I am liking this. It is awesome to me. It is awesome to me. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. And, you know, keep checking in to see exactly where else I go with this. Keep checking in. Johnny Snow up out of here.
HP did this one.